Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 5005 down into its building block, the prime numbers that multiply to give it? So stick around because we are peeled back to the layers of 5005 using the magic of prime factorization, and it is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So what is prime factorization? So prime factorization is a number as a product of its prime factors. Those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. So in other words, we are finding out what prime number multiplied together to give us 5005. So let's start. So we know that 5005 is odd, so it's not divisible by the first prime number, that is 2. Now we'll check with 3. So the divisibility rule of 3 is sum of digit. So it's 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 10, and 10 is not divisible by 3. So it does not go with the next prime number 3. Now 5. The numbers who are ending with 0 and 5s can be divisible by 5. So 5005 divided by 5 is 1001. Now with 7, 1, 0, 0 and 1, we'll check with 7. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. And 7 times 3 is 21. So 1001 divided by 7 is 143. Now 143 is divided by the next prime number 11 gives us 13. So final prime factorization of 5005 is 5 times 7 times 11 times 13. I hope it's clear. Please like and subscribe if you want more quick math facts like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.